Hi, I'm Jen here with the San Diego River Park Foundation, and today we're out here at one of our beautiful preserves on Boulder Creek, up in the headwaters of the San Diego River. Today, I'm so excited to tell you about one of the special creatures that we see out here at this preserve. And those are bats. So, bats, mysterious creatures of the night. There are over 1,000 different species found almost everywhere except the North and South Poles. But most people don't know very much about them, and I bet you don't either. So let's take the next 60 seconds to find out about these furry friends. Bats are the only true flying mammals. Bats aren't blind, they can see. Some can see great, and some can even see in color. Echolocation, have you heard of this? You probably have. Animals like bats and dolphins are well known for their echolocation. This echolocation helps the bat see a picture in their mind using sound. Some bats can detect an object as fine as a human hair. However, not all bats use echolocation. Bats also have great hearing. African heart-nosed bats can hear the footstep of a beetle. You might have seen a bat at night, but have you heard one? If no, you are not alone. Most bats are at a frequency that humans can't hear, which may be a good thing because bats are very loud. If we could hear them, some bats would make a noise that sounds like a jet engine taking off. Whoa. There are more than 1,300 species of bats, and these species vary greatly. The smallest is the size of a bumblebee, and the largest has a wingspan of almost 6 feet. That's about as big as I am. Put out your arms. How big do you think your wingspan is? Bats eat a variety of things, from insects and scorpions to fish and frogs. Even though bats have a bad rap for their association with vampires, only 3 species of the more than 1,000 species drink blood. And of those, 2 drink bird's blood, and only 1 drinks blood from mammals. But usually they're not interested in you. Back to those bugs that bats like to eat. Bats eat tons of bugs, literally. Some bats can eat thousands of bugs every hour. This means that when they get together, it's one big chow fest. For example, in Bracken Caves of Texas, bats eat 145 tons of insects a night. That's about 20 school buses. All this chowing means that bats are a huge help to us. They help us to control pesky bugs like mosquitoes, and they also help to control pests like moths that would eat our crops. Bats generally live to be 10 years old, but some can live to be around 30 years old. Now, let's get local. Of the 47 or so bat species in North America, we have almost half right here in San Diego, and on our preserves in the headwaters of the San Diego River, we have already recorded 11 different species of bats. Some of these species are species of special concern, like the Townsend's big-eared bat. Take a look at this photo. And finally, my favorite bat fact. Some bats drink using a method called belly dipping. Belly dipping? You guessed it. These bats fly low to the water, dip their belly in, and then fly to a tree to lick the water off of their fur. That doesn't sound very scary, does it? Now that you know all these cool facts, tell a friend or family member. Bats need your help to spread the word that they're not scary and that they do really important things for our environment. Stay tuned for our next videos where we delve further into the mystery of bats, their importance to the river, and the awesome ways that we are able to study them right here on our preserves. Thanks for watching! Now that we know so much and are excited about bats, here's an activity that you can do right at home. With an adult, research 3 ways that you can help with bat conservation. In our next video, we will go over some of these ideas and you can see if yours made the list.